Should do the same thing.
I saw that with the guys.
Alright guys, listen. Continue playing the way we're playing, okay? Alright? Just keep on playing, okay? You're doing really well. We'll continue playing hockey. We'll continue playing hockey, okay guys? You guys got it? Alright. Jump on him, Chris. Everybody off! You okay? Yeah, sure. Take a drink. Continue playing the way you're playing, okay? Don't sit with this. Play Christian! Play Vinny! No ice! Boards, Christian, boards! Stay with him, Matt! Who's there? You gotta watch it all! Watch the points, Matt! Got him, Ron! Christian, help him out! Give him someone to go with! You gotta move and help him! Can't stand there! If he's in trouble, rotate so he'll pass out!
This is starting to get an emotional game.
Oh, get those higher. Yep, pull it up. Oh, we're stopping it. Come on, Robbie! Cover! I am a winger. Third line.
All right, Troy!
Everybody off! If Robbie's up here in trouble, don't stand there. Come around to right here so he can see you, okay? That way you can get out to over here. Come in around right here, okay?
Stop past that!
You get off the boards, or you get it up, okay? You gotta move that way, okay? You're still in the vicinity to go help out in the middle.
Wrong way.
You want to help him out.
Okay.
Let's go, Gabe, let's go!
Come on, Gabe, pass it!
Gabe, you gotta get a pass! Gabe, help him!
Get your feet!
Don't stretch, man! Defense, you can't stretch your stick like that. Gotta put a body on him. You hear me? Gotta play defense. Do not stretch out, okay? Do not stretch out like that. Move your feet towards them. Let them go through you.
God, I forgot what the I forgot what the weed music was. I was gonna make that for like out of the park. Yeah.
Right now,
I was gonna make that for the out of the park hit.
Did you get that on video?
let them go through you.
Like crosstalk? His power. Did you get that on video?
Yeah. Only like the first 3 seconds.
Hopefully the ref can watch that.
I just think
You gonna get payback?
I mean, did his arm extend on me? Because that's what I felt. It felt like he went like that to me.
Yeah.
Well, Gabe, help him out.
They said that there was no extension of the arm, so anything.
He's been playing dirty the entire game.
If you're gonna do it, you can.
Out.
You good?
Rick.
Move your feet, Willis!
Board, Gabe, going up the board. Get the fingers, get on your side! Holding.
Yeah.
You know what's funny?
Chris.
Completely annihilated.
Did I do it? Yeah.
You're howling at me. Did you hear my Banshee scream at him?
No, it's okay.
This is Josh that was running. You're running next to me.
Hey, keep on moving, okay? Keep on moving.
Yeah, but I scared him.
Atta boy! Oh. Breaking the T-cross. Hold. Nah.
Hold,
it back, bro.
One in back! I need one in back!
You should be in the haunted woods thing when you're screaming around.
Oh, my Banshee great.
Gabe, you gotta come back!
And then I slashed him.
I think the hit turned on his game.
All right, let's go! One in back! Nice. Chris! Good.
Yeah, you kind of just got this way.
Second line. Let's go. It's all right. Jake, you okay? All right. Big shot, Jake. Big shot. Come. Hurry, boys! Where's the handbag? My half, man. No.
That's if you hold it.
Yep, step on him. Get on him. Shoot! Vinny, you got. All right. Stay on. Come on, Rob. Look. Oh, no. Two hands on a stick, Christian. Yeah, come on, step on him. Oh, my God. Guys, gotta step on him. Let's go. When we tell you to watch the points, you can get on your points. Like, stay focused. Come on! We gotta get it out. We gotta get it out. Breathe! Go! Chris, stay on your feet. Let's go. Get back on him. Get in there, Chris. That's a good stop! Windows, buddy! Get on him! Get on there! Good. Get on him! Yep, boys! Oh, look at that. Who's there? Watch the middle! Too many down there. Watch 80. Get on him! Who's that off? You're shooting, shooting! Close it off! Stay on your feet, Christian! Keep that sliding, man. Close it off! Gotta get to him! Can't just step up on him like that. Play cross! Let's go, let's go! Let's go! Oh my God! Just run shot!
Go.
Cover his backside! Cover his backside! Yep! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Go! Wait! Boards, Christian, 2 hands on the stick! Guys, kick his feet! He's coming out, coach, he's coming out. You gotta get him out. Go. Hands down, Dave, hands down! Joey! You got it coming? Go your side boards. Shoot it! Knock your foot out. It's okay, go. Hey, get focused. Listen, you gotta kill this play. Go. You 2 minutes out there, kill this penalty.
Really use the hammer.
Rob, you alright?
Yeah.
Just relax.
You want to go out?
What did they call it?
They didn't call the corner.
Alright guys, hey, let's stay focused guys, okay? Get up, get some breath, let's go. Still not a game yet.
It's the same story that's been. I need like 30 seconds with the same one.
Watch the points! That's what he's doing.
Hurry!
Who's the other guy in the point? Who's in the John! Get the point!
Go, Joe! Go!
He's wide!
Right! Good job!
Hard!
Go!
Good job, man, Lynn.
Benny!
He's gonna shoot it, watch.
Shooting! Good job. Hey. Alright, good job. You guys gotta watch those points too, okay?
Yeah, but see, they're gonna call anything.
Don't worry about it. You just keep on playing, okay? Don't worry about what they call it. You keep on playing. You have 1 second. We're not going over there. Just keep on playing. Quick shot.